Today we're going to be checking out some cases by Caseborne for the brand new Pixel 8 Pro. This is the Caseborne S-Series case and this is the Caseborne V-Series case. Both of these cases are military grade drop tested and they both have MagSafe built in. And if you guys want to pick these cases up yourself, I will be putting links in the video description. So let's get started. So the first case we're going to take a look at is their S-Series case. This is a clear case, it's got MagSafe built in again, and it's 2 times military grade drop tested. It also comes with a couple rear tempered glass camera protectors, and 2 tempered glass screen protectors as well. So the first thing we're going to do is to install both of the protectors. So first I'm going to put on the rear camera protector. You want to make sure you thoroughly clean off the back of your camera lens. So here's the protector. It's super easy to install. All you need to do is peel off the back of this plastic and then install it the best you can. Once it's in place, just run your finger across the back and you're all done. And there's what it looks like. Looks like it's pretty much supposed to be on the back of your phone. Looks very nice. Now we're going to install the front screen protector. What I would recommend doing is putting your phone inside the case first and using that as an installation guide. And to give you an idea, this is how much raised edge you get before you put the tempered glass screen protector on. I would also recommend putting on some stickers on the top and the bottom just to help you install the screen protector as well. Peel off the underside protector and then install the screen protector the best you can. Once it's down where you want it, you can just run your finger down the middle and it'll adhere to your phone. We do have some bubbles, but I can easily get those out just by lifting the screen or just squeegeeing them out. So I was able to easily get those bubbles out just by lifting the screen a little bit, and you can see there is a gap still all the way around the screen for case compatibility. As far as touch, feels nice and smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone. And this is also a full coverage screen protector, so it does cover your camera, which we will test out in just a second. All right, so let's test out our fingerprints. Fingerprints seem to be working just fine. And as far as fingerprint collection, it does pick up some smudges on the screen, but you can very easily just wipe those away. Now let's test out our facial recognition. Face ID seems to be working just fine. It is crystal clear, and touch is working fine as well. Now let's check out our camera. Looks pretty clear to me. Don't see any issues. And as far as the case feels really nice in the hand. It's a little bit grippy, which is nice. The buttons, very easily accessible and clicky. This case also has anti-yellowing properties as well. It's got built-in MagSafe, shows off the color of your phone, and it also accommodates that screen protector, so you don't have to worry about the case bulging up. And as you can see from the side, there is a slight raised edge to help protect that lens as well. And you can also see that it keeps the phone nice and slim too. Now that we do have the tempered glass screen protector on here, you can see how much of a raised edge there is afterwards. We have some lanyard holes in the corner here. We have our cutouts on the bottom. We have our separated volume buttons and our power button. And again, you have that MagSafe on the back. Let's test that out. Here I have a MagSafe power bank. Just clip this onto the back. Holds on really well. And you can see that it starts to charge the phone immediately. And it also holds onto the back of the case really good too, so you don't have to worry about the MagSafe accessory just falling off. And you can also regular wirelessly charge through this case too. And there's also these little air bubbles in the corners for shock absorption in case you happen to drop your phone. And if you want to see me do a scratch and a drop test for this tempered glass screen protector, make sure you hit that like button because it really helps out the channel. Now we're going to take a look at their V-Series case. This case has been military grade drop tested up to 21 feet. It's got MagSafe built in, and it also comes with this really nice belt clip. This case also comes with 2 installation packets. and 2 tempered glass screen protectors. And as you can see, there is the MagSafe built in with that honeycomb pattern on the inside. This is also a 2-piece design. It's got a hard back with a rubber edge, and you also have this hard plastic that you put over the phone. Then you put that whole phone with the plastic inside the outer shell. So all you need to do is take this piece right here, put it over the top of your phone, and press it into place. Then you're going to take this whole thing with the plastic piece and stick it inside the case. And there it is inside the case. As you can see, we still have our tempered glass screen protector on the phone as well, and it fits perfectly inside this case. Buttons are nice and clicky, easily pressable, feels nice in the hand. It's not slippery, but it's got these serrations on the side to help with grip. It's also got extra reinforcement in the corners for drop protection. If we look at the case from the side, you can see there is a good raised edge all the way around the front of the phone, even though it does have that tempered glass screen protector on there. On the side here, we have those ridges again for drop protection. We have our covered charging port on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about dust or anything getting in the case. On the side, we have those serrations again with the volume button and the power button. And on the back here, it's got that nice hard back with a MagSafe built in, and it also has a raised edge around our camera lenses for extra protection. And I also still have that tempered glass covering the lenses too, and it fits perfectly. Now it does add just a little bit of extra bulk to the phone, but you're getting more protection as well. And in case you're wondering, because it has such a prominent raised edge on the bottom, you can still swipe up from the bottom very easily to access your recents or go back to your home. And then your belt clip also has a rotating clip on the back, 360 degrees, so you can put it however you want. And then you can also put your phone in here a couple different ways. You can put your phone in here with the screen facing inwards for protection, or if you want to see your screen, you can also put it facing out as well. Now let's test out the MagSafe. Again, here we have our MagSafe power bank. We'll clip it onto the back. Holds on really well, and it immediately starts to charge your phone. Again, the MagSafe is nice and strong, so you don't have to worry about your MagSafe accessory just falling off. It's got a pretty strong hold. There have been some other cases that I've done reviews on that have a plastic cover for the screen protector, and I actually prefer glass because not only does it feel nice and smooth, but I think it also protects your screen a lot more. What do you guys prefer, tempered glass or the plastic? Let me know in the comments below. And in case you're wondering, regular wireless charging also works through this case as well. So now that we've had a chance to look at both cases, we're going to be doing a scratch and a drop test for the tempered glass. So we're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a height of 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't crack, we'll move it up foot by foot until it eventually does. So here we go at 2 feet. Moving on to 3 feet. Moving on to 4 feet. Moving on to 5 feet. 5 feet. So this screen protector lasted up until a 5-foot drop, not too bad. Now let's move on to the scratch test. So tempered glass typically starts to scratch around a number 6 on the Mohs scale. We're going to start off with a number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6. And then a number 7. And if we take a closer look, you can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are very slight at the number 6 and a little deeper at a number 7. So scratch protection is pretty standard for tempered glass. Now let's test out the rear camera protector. Again, we're going to start off with a number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6. And then finally a number 7. And if we take a closer look, you can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are slight at a number 6 and a little deeper at a number 7. So again, scratch resistance is pretty standard for tempered glass. So whether you're looking for max protection for your phone or if you're looking to show off the color of your phone with some really good protection, Caseborne definitely has you covered. And again, if you guys want to pick either one of these cases up, I will be putting links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out my channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.